Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started with the AI linking account. Before you click into Unlink, you need to hear this because AI changes the actual rules. Nowadays AI accounts have a limit, limited elements that can be helping you with these elements. So what I need to do first of all is to access my EA account. So for this, I'm going to be going directly into my new tab. I'm going to go for my account.ea.com. Now, don't try to do this through the Steam application because there's no button yet. So you have to go to the official EA customer portal, logged in, and on the left hand sidebar, click connected accounts. This is the master list of everything tied to your EA identity. So you will see the actual Steam account listed here with your username. This is where the Unlink button lives. Now, the verification host. If you clicked into Unlinked, the actual EA is going to send a security code to your actual email that you might need the codes to provide in order to have access directly into it. Now, this is an actual one-time code that you must provide to EA, for example, the next time you enter directly into the Microsoft Steam code. So just wait a few seconds here and provide the code. In my case, this is just a one-time code. I will be putting this code. Remember, here into the option that says next, and here's my account management. Now, here, for example, usually you can see how the connected accounts. So you're going to close this element, and here it should be appearing the actual Steam account into EA. So if I select, for example, Steam, and go for continue, it will be asking me to sign in directly into Steam with the actual new code or the same code that I can only have it directly inside here. I will now not do this at the moment because we have already signed it, unlinked my Steam account from EA. But as you can see, the process is actually not that hard. Just go for the option that says my account, connected accounts, select your linked account, and hit into the option that says unlinked, and you're actually good to go. Now, here's an actual quick trap. If you realize you made a mistake and try to relink the same Steam account, you often have to wait 6 months. So EA does this, of course, to prevent account boosting and morphing. So even AI support agents usually cannot override this timer into 2026. So make sure you absolutely want to make this account gone because you have to wait 6 months to do this once again, right? Now, if your EA account is banned, you cannot link it from Steam. I must tell you that's going to be really, really important to take that in mind. You have to appeal the ban first. If the ban stays, the Steam account is married to the ban to the EA account forever. So your only choice is to make a completely new Steam account, unfortunately. Now, unlinking actually is going to be really easy. Dealing with the consequences is a little bit, let's say, the hard part. So you're trying to fix an Apex Legends blocking bug, for example, you can watch the next video to the reporting EA app connection errors with the unlinking. So don't forget to like, guys, share, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you well next time.